Hello guys, Shopify versus WooCommerce in 2025, a comprehensive comparison review. Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we will dive deep into a comprehensive comparison between two famous e-commerce platforms, Shopify and WooCommerce. If you are looking to set up an online store or switch platform, this video will give you all the information you need to make an informed decision. No, I am not sponsored by this company. I am simply sharing my personal experiences with them. However, if at any point you decide to check out Shopify, we have provided a special discount link in the description below. With the world of e-commerce rapidly evolving, finding the right platform for your online store may seem overwhelming. However, with the right knowledge, it does not have to be. We have extensive research and testing Shopify and WooCommerce, so you do not have to. And we are excited to share our insight you. Ease of use. Shopify has a user-friendly interface with an intuitive setup process. Since its hosted platform, you do not have to worry about managing any technical aspect like security or hosting. Shopify lets you quickly set up your store, add, protect, and customize. It is designed perfect for those with little coding knowledge. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is a WordPress plugin that transferred a website into a online store. It's offer more control and customization, but has a stepper learning curve. You must manage security, hosting, and upgrade yourself. Through or, or through a hosting provider, making it a less beginner friendly. Scalability. If your business is growing and you need to handle high volume sales, Shopify can scale with Shopify with you. It supports business of all sizes from small shops or to large enterprise. Shopify includes inventory management, secure payment, gateway, marketing tool, and a wide range of plugins from its app store. With WooCommerce, scalability depends on your hosting provider. Since it's open source, it offers endless customization and flexibility. But scaling requires a more powerful hosting plan, which increasing cost. While you can create a highly customized store with WooCommerce, finding the right combination of plugin take effort. Shopify is the better option for scalability since it handles all technical aspects for you. Theme and design. Shopify offers 70 perfection themes that are easily customizable and optimized for mobile devices, providing a seamless shopping experience. WooCommerce offers thousands of WordPress themes, both free and premier. However, not all themes are designed for e-commerce, so you must choose carefully to ensure they fit your needs. While WooCommerce gives more flexibility, Shopify provides a simpler way to achieve a polished look with minimal effort. Customer support. Shopify provides 24 by 7 customer support by email, live chat, and phone for all plans. Their support team is responsive and can quickly resolve any issue. WooCommerce support varies depending on your hosting provider, theme, or plugin developer. While there is an active WooCommerce community with forums and documentation, getting direct assistance can be more challenging compared to Shopify. Dropshipping. Shopify integrates with multiple popular dropshipping vendors. While costs vary, you are limited to Shopify approved plugin. WooCommerce offers hundreds of vendor integrating, giving you more choice. If you are running a small business with low order volume, you can choose per item delivery option instead of monthly subscription. Pricing. Shopify offers a 3-day trial after which you can select a plan that fits your needs. The basic plan starts at $19 per month, the premier plan receiving $299 per month. This plan including secure hosting and support. WooCommerce is a free plugin, but you must pay for domain registration, hosting, and any premier theme or extension you need. Hosting costs range from $5 to $13 per month. Domain name every $15 per year, and access certificate can range from free to $100 per year. WooCommerce costs depend on how you customize your store. Payment option. Shopify supports multiple payment options, including its own Shopify payment powered by Stripe. However, Shopify charges an additional 2% fee on each transaction unless you use Shopify payment. The fee is reduced to 0.5% for advanced plan. WooCommerce supports Stripe, PayPal, and various other payment gateways like Amazon Pay and Alipay. Since WooCommerce is self-hosted, you only pay transaction fees from your bank or payment processor. Final thought. Ultimately, the choice between Shopify and WooCommerce depends on your need, technical experiences, and budget. If you want a simple managed platform with built-in support, Shopify is a great option. If you prefer full control customization and potentially lower long-term cost, WooCommerce may be the better choice.